think it snowed out here. I'm gonna run through the snow and be joyful. The snow is pretty deep. It's quite a workout with heavy boots on. I see animal tracks. It's neither wolverine or bear, or most likely just deer. There's the creek. So beautiful, the snow. I see more tracks back here. Could be wild turkey. It feels like a winter wonderland. I don't want to run through here because I can't see what's in the ground. I might trip over a log. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I don't know why anyone would live in Florida or California or even Hawaii when you have all this. All of this beauty. Oh, okay. Through here we go. Ooh, I made it back. Isn't that lovely? We're going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you didn't get too winded. I didn't get too winded. Stay warm, stay safe, and goodbye and aloha for now. What a beautiful, beautiful snow.